Cloudier tomorrow. We may have a little mixed precipitation. Very cold and windy on Thursday. Cold Friday. Cloudy. So rain factor times 6 for this evening. I say you got to take advantage of the evening. It's pretty good. We've got a winter weather advisory from noon Wednesday through noon Thursday, including the Lincoln and Omaha areas northward. Let's step you through our computer model storm predictor. All quiet this evening, mostly clear skies midnight. Clouds thicken up after midnight. By tomorrow morning, the hint of some very light, maybe drizzle or freezing drizzle. Not a lot, and especially off to the east of us. 9 o'clock in the morning, you see some stuff north of us, some snow in northeast Nebraska, a little more widespread patches of some of that light mixed precipitation lunchtime and after that time. And that's why the Weather Service has gone with that winter weather advisory from noon onward. The GFS computer model tomorrow night especially gives us over an inch of snow. The North American mesoscale model has 2/10. The European computer model has 4/10 with more off to the north of us. So we kind of looked at all the computer models and thought that probably half an inch to an inch would be a good place to start. So trace to 2 inches in this white shaded area, 2 to 4 to the north of that. And you got to get farther into northeast Nebraska to see more snow than that. Sunshine right now looks good. 44 degrees, southeast wind at 16 miles an hour. 45 Millard, 46 Bellevue, 47 Plattsmouth, 51 Nebraska City, 55 in Falls City, and there's that southeast breeze that's blowing here. All right, the radar is quiet, and again, skies are mostly clear. There's been some snow north of us and then across southern Minnesota, just getting started there because it's this piece of energy, and then watch this, coming out of Baja California. That's on the move now. That moisture all comes together in our area for the snow, but it's mainly north of us. There's storm predictor 11 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow morning, low pressure south of us and more ice east of us and more snow to the north. So kind of a glancing blow, though it is going to be colder and cloudy and breezy on Wednesday with a little bit of freezing mist or freezing drizzle or drizzle, depending on the temperature in the air. 30, the low tonight, maybe some light drizzle or freezing drizzle mixed, but with temperatures right around freezing and during the daylight hours, maybe even just above freezing. I don't think it'll be a huge impact. More like tomorrow night and early Thursday, where we will get, they say, half an inch to an inch of snow, but really strong winds. And we could have wind chills of 10 below or 15 below on Thursday morning. So a really huge change from where we're at right now. Cold and cloudy on Friday, maybe a stray flurry, but milder again this weekend.
Looking forward to the weekend.
I know you are.
Thanks, Bill. Still ahead, a cheer team claims victory without